Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to withdraw to bank from Bitfinex. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bitfinex.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bitfinex if you haven't done that already. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top of the screen, we have the traders, lenders, we have the about and more. We also have the sign out and return to platform. In the middle of the screen, we have the start trading button, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and withdraw funds to bank from Bitfinex. So first of all, log into your Bitfinex account, as I already told you in the start of the video. Choose the bank transfer as the withdrawal method. So you need to go and start trading, and here you need to go and of course go and find the withdrawal. Then when you have done that, you need to go and of course select the currency that you want to withdraw. Then choose the wallet you will be withdrawing from, filling the bank details required for the actual transfer. Review the details and press the request withdrawal button. Just keep in mind that the bank wire withdrawals typically take 5 to 10 business days to process, and there is a 0.1% processing fee. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.